End of year test. Test your sound. Good luck. You may listen to the questions and then the text, if you wish. Access to information from written texts. הבנת הנקרא. קרא את המאמר שלפניך וענה על השאלות 1-8. Read the article and answer questions 1-8. Impossible is an opinion, not a fact, by Derek Hamilton. In 2001, when Cameron Clapp was 15 years old, he was hit by a train. He doesn't remember the accident because he was drunk at the time. But he does remember waking up in the hospital without his limbs, one of his arms and both of his legs. The doctors thought he was going to die. They were wrong. When the doctors told Cameron he would stay in a wheelchair for the rest of his life, they were wrong again. On the day he was fitted with his first pair of artificial legs, he left his wheelchair forever. I found I had a determination that I never realized I had before that fateful day, he said. It took Cameron time to learn to use his new legs, but he didn't give up until he could walk again. Then he tried and succeeded in walking downstairs, something no person without legs had ever done before. Today, Cameron has special computer-controlled legs. These robotic legs are so advanced that he does things other disabled people can only dream about. He runs, swims, and plays golf using different robotic legs for each sport. He has won numerous gold medals at the Endeavor Games, an American Olympics for athletes with physical disabilities. He is the only person who has lost 3 limbs and still participates in sports competitions. Cameron claims that the train accident has made him what he is today. He is stronger than ever before. He has traveled and met many incredible people. I made the decision to be okay with my accident, he says. In addition, he works with other people who have lost limbs and is a great inspiration to them. Cameron doesn't regret what happened. He has turned his life into a challenge. ענה באנגלית על השאלות 1-8 על פי המאמר שקראת ועל פי ההוראות בשאלות. Answer questions 1-8 in English according to the article and the instructions. 1. Circle the number of the correct answer. In lines 1-4, the writer describes 1. Why Cameron was drunk. 2. What Cameron remembers about the accident. 3. How badly Cameron was injured. 4. Where the accident took place. 2. Complete the sentences, lines 1-11. Cameron surprised the doctors. Name 2 ways he did this. 1. He didn't. 2. He didn't. 3. Complete the sentence. When Cameron says that fateful day, line 8, he is referring to 4. What does Cameron do that other people with the same disabilities don't do? Name 2 things. Lines 5 to 17. Answers. 1, 2. 5. Complete the sentence. The writer mentions the Endeavor Games, line 15, to show that 6. How has Cameron turned his life into a challenge? Give 1 way, lines 18 to 22. 7. Put a V by the 2 correct answers. What do we learn about Cameron's character? 1. He is competitive. 2. He gives up easily. 3. He is angry. 4. He cares about others. 5. He is selfish. 6. He is shy. 8. Circle the number of the correct answer. The article is called impossible is an opinion, not a fact, because 1. It's impossible to change the past. 2. It's impossible to predict the future. 3. People do things that seem impossible. 4. It's hard for people to face the facts. Part 2. Writing task. Write 70 to 90 words in English on the following topic. Write in ink, not in pencil. Pay careful attention to handwriting. Make sure you write legibly and to the point. In many schools in Israel, students must work in their community. Do you think that this is a good idea or not? Express your opinion and explain it. You can use examples from your experience or your friend's experience doing work in their community.